Once upon a time, in a quaint little town nestled between rolling hills and a serene river, there lived a young woman named Emily. Emily had always been an optimist, thanks to the lessons she had imbibed from her favorite book, The Power of Positive Thinking. "Believe in yourself," the book had said, and Emily did. She believed in herself with unwavering determination. Her dream was to become a renowned painter, but in a world that often underestimated the value of art, her goals seemed like lofty dreams. Nonetheless, Emily pressed on. One crisp autumn morning, as the golden sunbeams filtered through her art studio, Emily stood before a blank canvas, her palette brimming with vibrant colors. She had always focused on the good, no matter how small. She dipped her brush into a pot of blue and began to paint. She painted the azure sky and imagined herself flying high above the clouds. "Think positively," her book whispered in her mind. So Emily let her thoughts wander into a world filled with colors, shapes, and possibilities. She painted landscapes, dreams, and a future that she desired. Each stroke of her brush was a declaration of her belief in herself and her talents. Every evening, Emily would sit by the river, gaze at the reflection of the stars, and visualize her goals. She saw her paintings adorning the walls of art galleries, people admiring her work, and herself standing proudly at her own exhibition. These visions fueled her determination and kept her moving forward. But positive thinking alone wouldn't bring her success. Taking action was paramount. So, Emily tirelessly painted day and night, submitting her work to local exhibitions and networking with fellow artists. She refused to wait for things to happen. Instead, she made them happen. Setbacks came, as they always do, but Emily remembered the book's wisdom. Don't give up. She encountered rejection letters and harsh critiques, but she didn't let them deter her. Each setback only pushed her to work harder, refine her skills, and improve her craft. Emily knew the importance of surrounding herself with positive people, so she joined an art group. She found friends who encouraged her, shared her passion, and believed in her dreams. They became her support system, cheering her on through thick and thin. Helping others became another source of joy for Emily. She started conducting art workshops for underprivileged children, sharing her love for colors and creativity. In doing so, she not only made a difference in their lives, but also found immense fulfillment. Amidst all her endeavors, Emily never forgot the book's lesson about gratitude. Every day, she expressed her thankfulness for the opportunity to paint, for the support of her friends, and for the simple joys of life. As time passed, Emily's talent and dedication started to pay off. Her artwork began to gain recognition, and her paintings were exhibited in prestigious galleries. Her dream was coming true, but she never let success get to her head. She continued to live in the present moment, cherishing every stroke of the brush and every color on her palette. Emily's journey from a small-town artist to a renowned painter was a testament to the power of positive thinking. She believed in herself, focused on the good, thought positively, visualized her goals, took action, and never gave up. She surrounded herself with positive people, helped others, expressed gratitude, and lived in the present moment. Her life had become a masterpiece, painted with the vibrant colors of optimism and perseverance. And it all started with the simple wisdom found in a book that taught her the magic of positive thinking.